magical power of Coke will leave you dumbfounded. You never know its true power until you see the last one. Now I'm going to show you how to change your life with Coke. 1. Hair stained with chewing gum. Just soak your hair in Coke for 2 minutes. Then easily tear off the chewing gum. Make your hairstyle flawless. 2. Chewing gum sticks to shoes. Don't worry, just a few rinses with Coke. It's easy to tear it off. Bring your shoes back to life. 3. Add detergent to Coke. Shake evenly. Sprayed on kitchen oil. Wipe it lightly. Instantly refreshed. 4. Coke plus laundry detergent. Black and moldy are all eliminated. Coke with egg white. Stainless steel also stars. 5. Coke plus washing powder. Spray on yellow stains on the toilet. The yellow stain odor will be eliminated immediately. 6. White vinegar and cola. Spray on the mirror. The mirror is clean and bright. 8. There is always dark dirt on the bottom of the cooking pot. Add toothpaste, salt, baking soda, white vinegar, and cola. Stir it. Soak the pot in water. Wait 10 minutes. Wipe it with a rag. Another century-old pot. 9. Too much dirt in the kettle. Pour the Coke into the kettle and heat it up. Pour out the water after boiling. The kettle is the same as the new one. 10. Add an appropriate amount of Coke, toilet water, and detergent. Add baking soda and white vinegar. Turn on wash mode. Let the washing machine take a thorough bath. It's incredibly dirty. Follow me and share
life hacks only smart people know. Let's see how many you know. 1. Quickly opening a rice bag. First, there is a single thread on one side and multiple threads on the other. Face the single thread side towards yourself. Cut the thread on the right side, then pull the double threads, pull it, and it will open. 2. There's a trick to untying socks too. If you look closely, you will find a long thread. Gently pull it and it's done. 3. Quick needle threading. First, place the thread on your palm. Take a needle we often use. Press the needle eye against the thread, then start rubbing. See, the thread is now through the needle. 4. Turning the air conditioner on and off in summer wastes the most electricity. Here's a tip for you. Set the temperature to 26 degrees. Set the fan speed to level 2. Then press the energy saving button. This way, it will save a lot of electricity. 5. Thread the rope through the button and then through the key. Thread the other end of the rope through the key as well. Adjust the rope. Place a straw in the center position. Wrap the long end of the thread around the straw 5 times. Thread the end through the straw. Remove the straw and not only tighten, but also adjust the 5 loops. Cut off the thread end and smooth it with a lighter. Follow me to learn more practical life hacks. Here are a few tips even moms don't know. Remember to like and save. 1. Insert chopsticks into yam and peel as usual. This way, your hands won't itch. 2. When cooking soup, it often overflows. Place 4 small clips around the pot lid. This way, the soup won't overflow. 3. Cutting onions always makes you cry. Simply place a damp paper towel in front of the cutting board. This will absorb the fumes. No more tears when cutting onions. 4. Don't place used ladles on the countertop. Rest it on the pot handle like shown in the video. 5. Cut the top part off a plastic bottle. Place it on a rice bag and heat the edges with a lighter. This prevents bugs and moisture. It's also convenient for pouring. 6. Sprinkle some salt on the knife. Rub a potato back and forth on the knife. Finally, wash the knife. This will make the knife sharp again. 7. Break the corn in half first. Insert scissors into the center of the corn. This is the softest part of the corn. Then twist the scissors. The corn will split in 2. Now it's easy to remove the kernels. All the kernels will come off whole. Follow me for more tips and tricks. Here are some life hacks that even moms don't know. 1. When you need to tie things at home, use this magic knot. Quick to untie and secure. 2. Wrap the wire with your left thumb. Rotate clockwise 3 times. Double fold the wire and tuck it into the loop. Pull the other end. Tie a knot with one hand. 3. Don't throw away the string that ties the vermicelli. After soaking the vermicelli, gently pull the string. The length is just right. 4. Rub the needle back and forth on the thread. The thread will go through automatically. Gently pull and the thread is through. 5. Stick hooks upside down. You can hang pots on the wall. Look, it saves space behind the door. 6. For a blunt knife. First add a spoonful of salt, then a little white vinegar. Rub with a potato repeatedly. Rinse with clean water, and the knife is as sharp as new. 7. Poke small holes in the bottom of a paper cup with a toothpick. Place it in another cup. Add some tea leaves. Pour in boiling water. Remove the top cup with the tea leaves, and you have a cup of tea. 8. To check if a watermelon is sweet, look at 3 things. A curved stem means sweet. A straight stem means not sweet. A large navel means not sweet. A small navel means sweet. Wide stripes mean sweet. Narrow stripes mean not sweet. Follow me for more life hacks. Let me teach you some divine ways to eat eggs. 1. Dip a spoon in batter and fry it in hot oil. It turns into an edible little bowl. 2. Cover the egg yolk with a wine glass and whisk the egg white until thick. Cover with a lid and cook for a while. You'll have delicious and beautiful cloud eggs. 3. Cut off the top of an orange and hollow out the inside. Crack an egg into it and pour in some milk. Bake at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Orange steamed egg is perfect for families with babies. 4. Separate the egg white and yolk and beat the egg whites until they form clouds. Pour the egg yolk into the pan and add the whipped egg whites. Heat for a while and the cloud egg pancake is ready. Families with babies should definitely make this for them. 5. Use a syringe to extract the egg mixture. Inject it into boiling water and you'll have delicious egg noodles. 6. Boil eggs with water for 8 minutes and crack the shells. Add tea leaves, scallions, ginger, star anise, bay leaves, cinnamon, and dried chili. Pour in some water from the Mississippi River. Add salt, sugar, light soy sauce, and dark soy sauce. Simmer on low heat for 20 minutes. This tea egg tastes even better than the ones sold in stores. If you haven't learned it yet, like and save this video. Watch it slowly when you want to learn.